The world of social media is constantly evolving. New trends emerge and capture our attention. One such trend is the rise of AI-generated influencers. These digital personalities are blurring the lines between the real and the virtual. They are captivating audiences and raising questions about the future of influence. AI influencers are meticulously crafted digital creations. They exist solely in the digital realm. Their carefully curated profiles and content are designed to engage followers. These virtual personas are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They are challenging our perceptions of what is real and what is not. The emergence of AI influencers has sparked debate and discussion. Some view them as the future of marketing. Others question their authenticity and ability to connect with audiences. As technology advances, it is crucial to examine the impact of these digital entities on the world of social media and influencer marketing. The rise of AI influencers represents a paradigm shift in how we interact with technology and consume content. It is a trend that warrants further exploration and analysis. AI influencers are rapidly gaining traction in the digital landscape. They are securing brand deals and amassing a sizable following. Some notable examples include Lil Miquela and Nunuri. These virtual personalities have captured the attention of millions worldwide. Lil Miquela, with her signature freckles and edgy style, boasts millions of followers. She has collaborated with renowned brands like Prada and Samsung. Nunuri, known for her cartoonish aesthetic, has partnered with luxury brands like Balmain and Swarovski. These AI creations are meticulously designed. They possess unique personalities, backstories, and style choices. Their creators carefully craft their online presence to resonate with specific target audiences. The success of AI influencers like Lil Miquela and Nunuri highlights the growing influence of virtual personalities in the digital age. Their ability to secure high-profile collaborations and garner a substantial following demonstrates their marketing potential. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and influential AI personalities emerge in the social media landscape. When comparing AI and human influencers, several key metrics come into play. These include engagement rates, trust levels, and earning potential. Understanding these metrics is crucial for assessing the impact and effectiveness of both types of influencers. Data suggests that human influencers still hold a significant advantage in terms of earnings. They often command fees that are multiple times higher than their AI counterparts. This disparity in earnings reflects the perceived value of human authenticity and relatability. Consumer surveys consistently reveal a higher level of trust in human influencers. Audiences are more likely to trust recommendations from individuals they perceive as real people with genuine experiences. While AI influencers may excel in metrics like engagement rates, they often struggle to replicate the depth of connection and trust that human influencers cultivate. This difference in trust and authenticity has a direct impact on their perceived value to brands. The metrics clearly demonstrate that while AI influencers are making strides, human influencers remain dominant in key areas. Authenticity and trust remain paramount in the realm of influencer marketing. Today, AI influencers offer several advantages over their human counterparts. One of their most significant strengths is cost-effectiveness. Brands often find that working with AI influencers can be more budget-friendly than collaborating with human influencers. Another advantage is consistency. AI influencers provide brands with complete control over their messaging and image. This level of control minimizes the risk of inconsistencies or deviations from brand guidelines. Scalability is another key strength. Brands can replicate AI influencers across multiple platforms and campaigns with ease. This scalability allows for wider reach and greater efficiency in content distribution. Finally, AI influencers offer the potential for hyper-personalization. AI algorithms can tailor content to specific audience segments, enhancing engagement and relevance. The unique advantages of AI influencers make them an attractive option for brands seeking greater control, scalability, and cost-effectiveness in their influencer marketing campaigns. Section 5. The human touch strengths of human influencers. Human influencers possess distinct strengths that continue to make them invaluable to brands. One of their most significant advantages is authenticity. Human influencers have real-life experiences, emotions, and perspectives that resonate deeply with audiences. Adaptability is another key strength. Human influencers can quickly adjust to changing trends, respond to real-time events, and engage in authentic interactions with their followers. Creativity is inherent to human influencers. They bring their own unique perspectives, voices, and ideas to the table, resulting in more diverse and engaging content. Finally, human influencers excel at community building. They foster genuine connections with their followers, creating communities based on shared interests, values, and experiences. The human touch remains a powerful force in influencer marketing. The authenticity, adaptability, creativity, and community building skills of human influencers continue to make them highly sought-after partners for brands. Section 6. Trust and authenticity. The cornerstones of influence. Authenticity is the foundation of trust, and trust is paramount in influencer marketing. When audiences trust an influencer, they're more likely to consider their recommendations, engage with their content, and ultimately make purchasing decisions based on their influence. Human influencers excel in building trust due to their inherent relatability. Their real-life experiences, imperfections, and genuine emotions make them appear more human and approachable to their followers. AI influencers, while visually impressive, often struggle to replicate the depth of human experience and emotion. This lack of authenticity can create a barrier to building trust with audiences. Furthermore, the lack of transparency surrounding some AI influencers raises ethical concerns. When audiences are unaware that they are interacting with a digital creation, it can erode trust and damage the credibility of influencer marketing as a whole. Transparency is crucial. Brands and marketers must be upfront about the use of AI influencers to maintain audience trust. Ultimately, authenticity and transparency are essential for building meaningful connections and driving results in the world of influencer marketing. Section 7. A powerful partnership integrating AI and human influencers. The future of influencer marketing may lie in a hybrid approach. This approach combines the strengths of both AI and human influencers. By leveraging the power of technology while retaining the human element, brands can create more impactful and effective campaigns. AI tools can enhance the capabilities of human influencers by streamlining content creation, optimizing posting schedules, and providing data-driven insights. For instance, AI can assist with video editing, script generation, and even predict the best time to engage with audiences. This collaboration allows human influencers to focus on what they do best, connecting with their audience on a personal level. By automating tedious tasks, AI frees up time for human influencers to engage in meaningful interactions, respond to comments, and foster relationships with their followers. The NBA's partnership with Visit Abu Dhabi exemplifies this hybrid approach. The campaign featured human influencers against AI-generated backdrops. This combination created visually stunning content while retaining the authenticity of human experiences. By embracing a hybrid model, brands can leverage the strengths of both AI and human influencers, paving the way for more innovative and engaging influencer marketing campaigns. Section 8. Navigating the future implications for brands and marketers. The rise of AI influencers presents both opportunities and challenges for brands and marketers. It is crucial to approach this evolving landscape with a strategic and ethical mindset. Brands must prioritize transparency when using AI influencers. Disclosing the use of AI is essential for maintaining trust with audiences. Transparency fosters ethical practices and responsible use of technology in influencer marketing. Marketers should focus on finding the right balance between AI and human influencers. A hybrid approach that leverages the strengths of both can lead to more impactful campaigns. It is essential to remain adaptable and continually assess the evolving landscape of influencer marketing. Staying informed about technological advancements, audience preferences, and ethical considerations will be crucial for success in the future. By embracing transparency, finding balance, and remaining adaptable, brands and marketers can navigate the future of influencer marketing effectively and ethically. Section 9. Finding the right balance. The world of influencer marketing is dynamic. The lines between the real and the digital are becoming increasingly blurred. In this evolving landscape, finding the right balance between AI and human influencers is crucial. AI influencers offer exciting possibilities, but they should not be seen as a replacement for human connection. The authenticity, creativity, and adaptability of human influencers remain invaluable assets. Brands and marketers must carefully consider their target audience, campaign objectives, and ethical implications when deciding whether to incorporate AI influencers into their strategies. Transparency, authenticity, and a commitment to ethical practices should guide all decisions. By embracing a balanced approach and staying informed about the latest trends, brands and marketers can harness the power of influence in the digital age.